Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix connection failed on PS5 Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Press the PlayStation button from the controller, then go to Home. Go to Settings from top right, then click on Network. Then click on Test Internet Connection, then click on Start Test. Then go to View PlayStation Network Status. Then go back to Settings. Now click on Users and Accounts. Then click on Sign in ID. Change the email address. If you don't want to change, then go to Home. Now press the PlayStation button from the controller, then from the bottom go to power icon, then click on turn off PS5 fully. Then only sign in with your PlayStation account. By following the steps, you can fix connection failed on PS5 Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.